You looking at me? Hey there friends, welcome back to episode 25 of that live portfolio update where we're growing 50k into $1 million. Today's episode is going to be a little bit more short and sweet as I'm battling a bit of a hangover from being at another one of those Bucks dues this weekend. But I promise, next week's nugget, I'll make it up to you guys. So without further ado, go and grab your beer and let's jump into it. Alright, benchmark time. So how did XJO fare this week? Crazy week, but what's 0.7% between friends for a Monday to Friday trading week? At least we don't have to hear about reporting season for a wee while. Okay, so how did our stocks do this week? Well, it was literally the reversal of last week. Sometimes it feels like we're on a yo-yo, but we just strap in and enjoy the ride. We were down negative 4.91% in gains, but up 0.42% in dividends, giving us a total return of negative 4.49% for the trading week. Ouch, but it happens. Okay, I'm sure even Capral can't justify their 15% drop. Michael Hill was down near 12%, which is insane, but they did give 2.6% of dividends though, making them more like a 9% drop when you add them back. Then our new recruit was down near 8%. Only 2 went up for the trading week, but fingers crossed, next week is better. So here is all last week's buys, holds and sells. The ones that are changed are as follows and why. So Michael Hill moved from buy to hold as it closed below last month's close. That was the only real change this week, but please remember guys, do your own research. Alright, so since inception, we have a pure capital gain of negative 1.96%. The portfolio has a dividend return of 4.38%. This gives us a total return of positive 2.42%. It's really only Red River that we need to play a close eye on next week, as it's already at negative 6.19%. Alright, so our cash account is still at $3632. So with our 3632 in cash, plus our 75,109 in stocks, takes us to an overall value of 78,741 bucks, which is about a negative 4.69% total portfolio gain from last week. Wow, I believe that might be a record for losses, nearly 4k. But you must be prepared for these ones or you'll go crazy. Well, I hope you got through your beer and enjoyed that short and sweet episode. I'm going to go grab a Hydrolite and try and fix this head. But you guys have a lovely rest of the weekend and you all know the saying, keep healthy and wealthy. See you next week guys.